Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're anything like me, your truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a workhorse, a weekend adventure rig, and sometimes even a mobile toolbox. And let's face it, keeping everything you need within reach while maintaining bed space and security can be a real challenge. That's where accessories like the RealTruck UnderCover SwingCase come into play. Priced at $169, this side mount storage solution promises smart, out-of-the-way organization without compromising on function or access. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the SwingCase, not just how it installs or what it's made of, but how it actually performs in real-world use. From build quality to mounting quirks, versatility, and where it might fall short, I'll give you the full breakdown. If you've been looking for a clean way to stash tools, recovery gear, or just keep your cargo out of sight, this review is for you. Let's get into it. Let me tell you, if you're someone who uses your truck bed for more than just hauling random stuff, the RealTruck UnderCover SwingCase is one of those "why didn't I get this sooner" kind of accessories. I installed it on my Nissan Titan, and honestly, it's been a game changer. The swing-out design is brilliant. It clears the bed rail completely so I can open it up fully without having to climb into the truck bed. That might sound minor, but if you've ever been crouched in the bed trying to dig around in a box while balancing on uneven cargo, you'll appreciate how smooth this thing operates. It's especially ideal if you run a tonneau cover. The way it swings out without interfering is well thought out, and you don't lose any usable bed space when it's mounted. For guys like me who keep tools, recovery gear, or even just everyday odds and ends like jumper cables and ratchet straps, this box keeps everything organized, accessible, and out of sight. Installation was pretty straightforward. I'd say about an hour with basic tools. The instructions were clear, and the mounting process made sense. That said, I did run into an issue with the lower mounting holes. There's a reinforced plate in the bed rail of the 2016 to 2025 Titan that the included self-tapping screws just can't handle. I snapped one trying to drive it through, which was frustrating. I ended up switching to a step drill bit to pre-drill the holes and then use standard bolts. Honestly, I'd recommend anyone planning to install this do the same. Pre-drilling or even tapping the holes makes a big difference. It's a small hiccup, but knowing this ahead of time could save you time and aggravation. Once it's on, though, the movement is smooth and the hinges feel solid. It swings out cleanly and stays put when open, which is more than I can say for some other side mount boxes I've tried. In terms of build and materials, it's made from ABS plastic, which is lightweight and water-resistant, good for keeping gear dry in a downpour. It's not armored vault-level secure, but it's lockable, and you can add your own padlock for extra peace of mind. I store my air compressor, recovery strap, and a few small tools of mine, and while it holds up fine, I can feel a little flex when it's fully loaded, probably around 40 pounds or so. It doesn't sag dramatically, but there is a slight dip when swinging it out, and it occasionally brushes the bed floor. It hasn't caused damage, but it's something to note if you're planning to load it up heavy on a regular basis. For lighter cargo, though, it's perfect. Ratchet straps, tarps, gloves, even a small shovel, everything stays clean, dry, and easy to grab. One of the biggest wins for me is versatility. I do a bit of overlanding and weekend camping, so having dedicated, accessible storage that doesn't eat up bed space is huge. I can toss a dirt bike in the bed without worrying about gear getting in the way or getting crushed, and since the box mounts on the driver's side rail, it doesn't interfere with loading longer items. Plus, it's removable. If you ever need the full bed or want to switch it up, it comes off without too much hassle. That's a nice touch for people who don't want a permanent modification. I've seen contractors using these for their tools too, and from what I can tell, they hold up decently well even with daily use. It's clearly built with real-world use in mind, not just weekend warriors. Now, I have to be honest, there are a couple of drawbacks. The latch mechanism works well for me, but I've heard others mention issues, especially if you're using it with certain tonneau covers. In my case, it works fine, but one guy I talked to had clearance problems because the latch on his cover couldn't engage with the box mounted as high as the instructions recommend. That's a real bummer if you depend on your cover seal. So if you've got a soft trifold or similar, double check the clearance before committing. Also, the included screws? Not great. They're a weak point in an otherwise solid setup. Spend a few extra bucks on better hardware, it's worth it. The box itself is good quality, but it deserves better than brittle self-tappers that snap under pressure. Overall, I'm really happy with the swing case. At around $170, it's not dirt cheap, but it delivers solid functionality for the price. It's well designed, easy to use, and adds real value to how you use your truck bed. For the casual user or weekend adventurer, it's a no-brainer. Even for pros who need on-the-go tool access, it holds up well. Just go in with eyes open, upgrade the mounting hardware, and test for clearance with your cover if you run one. It's not perfect, but for the daily driver, overlander, or weekend warrior, it hits more marks than it misses. I'm already thinking about picking up a second one for the passenger side. If you're ready to upgrade your truck bed game, the swing case is a solid move. Don't let your gear rattle around loose. Lock it down and swing into convenience. Like this review? Smash that like button and subscribe to stay in the loop for more real-world truck gear insights. Stay organized, stay ready, and keep hauling smart.